Okay, so now that we've cleaned up our Windows install to take up as little space on the hard drive as possible, we're going to go ahead and optimize Windows 7 so that it takes advantage of the solid state drive as much as possible. First thing you're going to do is enable trim. So go ahead and push the start menu. On the bottom here, type CMD, and then right click that command.exe and run it as administrator. So you're going to get a command prompt line. What you're going to do is, first let's enable trim. What trim does is it tells your computer to more efficiently delete unnecessary files. So the command prompt for that is going to be fs util, util, space, behavior, space, set, space, disable, delete, notify, as one word, space 0. I'm going to have this at the bottom on the description so that you get it exact. Go ahead and hit accept. And while we're here, we might as well go ahead and disable Hibernate, because this frees up another 1 gig of space on the hard drive, because it actually uses the Windows 7 will set aside a specific number of gigs that relates to your to your total RAM. So if you have a lot of RAM, this will save you a lot of room. The command is going to be power CFG as one word, space dash H space off. Again, I'm going to have that on the description so you can type that exact. So once you're done, hit enter. Go ahead and apply everything and close out the command prompt. Then we're going to move on to disabling index and enabling write caching. So you're going to go ahead and right click your My Computer, go to Properties, and click Device Manager. Then expand the disk drive section and find your SSD in there. Go ahead and right click it, hit Properties, and then go to the Policies tab. And on the bottom here, under Write Caching Policy, you're going to want to make sure that Enable Write Caching on the device is clicked. And if Turn Off Windows Write Cache Buffer Flushing on this device is not clicked, go ahead and click that too. Hit OK and apply. So once that's done, go ahead and close that up. Now open up your disk drive, go to your My Computer, right click your SSD, click Properties, and on the bottom here you're going to see allow files on this drive to have contents indexed. Go ahead and unclick that. Then when you hit apply, it's going to take a while, and just let it finish and hit OK. A lot of these changes have to do with reducing the amount of read writes that Windows does to the SSD, because SSDs do have a finite amount of read writes, so you want to minimize as much unnecessary read writes as possible to extend the life of your SSD. The final steps in this and optimizing is going to be to disable prefetch and superfetch, but those require changes to your registry. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a link to a website that shows you how to do those things in detail. That way you get everything correct, because you don't really want to mess up anything on your registry, because that can have bigger problems. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. With these steps, you're going to optimize your Windows 7 to take advantage of your solid state drive as much as possible, as well as reduce the amount of wasted read writes done to your solid state drive so that you get the longest lifespan out of it as possible. Thanks a lot, guys. If you like these videos, please subscribe, like, comment, that sort of stuff. I really do appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Bye.